We're in a 2016 BMW X1 and we're going to reset the oil change reminder light. We're going to go ahead and we're going to push the start stop button once so all the dash lights come up. We're going to wait for them to go out, just for check engine light remaining. Okay, now over here on the left hand side on this little stalk here, we're going to press and we're going to get to fuel remaining kind of deal. And then we're going to go down here on the dash and we're going to press and hold. Okay, now right here it's going to have pop up our menu. Now we're going to just kind of go through things. And anyways, engine oil, so we got to reset that. So we're going to go ahead and press and hold. You're going to release when it says reset with a question mark, and then you're going to press and hold again. And then reset in progress. You can release the button. And now the engine oil life has been reset. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.